question.
Yeah. I was wondering if, do you think you can, like, for 1,000 nickels, would you tickle my pickle? What is that? That's like $50, right? What's up, guys?
How you doing? How you doing?
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Reggie. I'm Reggie.
Lester?
Yeah.
Reggie, what's up? Yo, you guys trying to make some easy cash? I'll give you guys 100 nickels to tickle my pickle.
Tickle your what?
I'll give you guys 100 nickels to tickle my pickle.
100 nickels to tickle on your pickle.
Yeah. You guys down?
Huh?
100 nickels to tickle a pickle. My pickle, you know my pickle?
What the fuck is that?
My pickle. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
You gonna get fucked up, man.
Nah, man, dude. My pickle. If you guys tickle, I'll give you guys 100 nickels.
Huh?
My pickle.
What about?
You guys just tickle it, I'll give you guys 100
Tickle.
nickels. Tickle, like, tickle, tickle.
Tickle.
I got you guys.
Tickle.
I'll give you guys, what, $5 is 100 nickels? Yeah, all right. You guys gotta tickle it good, though.
Excuse us, sir. We just have
How
a
you doing? Yeah, we have a question. Like, I'm from South Florida, so I'm new here in DC. I was wondering, like, about how many nickels does it take for, like, someone to tickle a pickle?
Like, I wanted my pickle to tickle. How many?
Do you know? We're asking around, like, because I don't know. I guess, like, I'm in Florida, and, like, it's really, like, cheap in Florida to get, like, your pickle tickled.
We're wondering if you tickle our pickles.
Yeah, it's like, it's really quick. No, it's like for $50. It's like 1,000 nickels.
Just really quick.
You guys do what?
Yeah, like for $50. No? No?
I'm tickling it.
Hey, there we go.
That nigga
There you go. Hey, you guys share it though. You guys share it. Cool.
No, hell no.
You said no.
Yeah.
Nah.
You said,
You said
No.
you would give us. Hey,
No, get it to him. Get it to him.
I ain't
Get it
getting
to him. Get it to him.
Man, stop playing.
I ain't playing,
You ain't
nigga.
even touch this motherfucker,
I ain't
man.
gonna take you, ain't take shit, nigga.
Give me
Yeah, you know, he said $100.
Hey, tickle the two. Tickle the two.
Well, yeah,
Tickle the
give
two.
me no.
Let him tickle. No, I'll give you two.
Give me money.
Give me
I'm gonna give him $5 too.
You owe.
Give me mine.
I'll give him $5.
Pay more.
Hey, nah.
I didn't already tickle it.
85. No, I'm gonna give you 5 as well. Hey, let him tickle it. Let him tickle it. He wants you to tickle it. You already got your 5, but tickle it. Come on, I'll tickle it. It doesn't do anything. I promise you. It's just a pickle.
It ain't nothing but a pickle.
What do you mean? You okay?
It ain't nothing but a pickle, man. It ain't no sense.
Hey man, you guys have a good one, man. Yeah, I know.
Man, thanks for the $5.
My pop. You have a good one, man. See you guys. You guys have a good one. Appreciate it. But like, I don't know how much it is here.
It's like a
I
trick.
wouldn't know, but that sounds like you're soliciting prostitution to me.
Really? Like, this is like a pickle. Like, there's no way.
For like 500 nickels, would you tickle our pickles?
Like, we could do it like behind a tree or something. Like, you know, make it
Are
intimate.
you in a fraternity or what?
I'm not a fraternity. I mean, like, I don't get it. If you guys would have said yes, that would have been easy
You
$25.
started your night off right, so why not finish it up correctly, right?
You know?
Except for we'd be arrested for
What? For tickling a pickle?
We're old. We're old.
What?
I'm not gonna tell nobody.
I asked for a pickle. What else is the what did you think I was saying? I said pickle. For like 1,000 nickels, would you tickle our pickles?
Tickle your pickle?
Yeah, for like 1,000 nickels, that's like what, like $50?
What about 50 cents?
50 cents? Or do it for 50
For 50 cents.
Even better.
Really? What do we do? It like just behind like the tree or something where no one can see? Make it a little bit intimate?
Why you need condoms?
What do you think I was talking about? I mean, if it's not pickle, what could it possibly be?
No, I knew what you're talking about. Don't act like we're perverted.
You guys are the ones. You guys are the ones that weren't willing to tickle a pickle for like 25 bucks. You guys have a good one. How you guys doing? Yo, I was just wondering, like, for what do you like 1,000 nickels? That's like $50, right? For like 1,000 nickels, would you tickle our pickles?
Both of us.
That's a lot of nickels, right?
Just tickle our pickles, a quick tickle.
I mean, we could do it like, where's it like an intimate place? Like back there, like a dark alley, maybe behind a tree?
It's not dark yet, but I mean, anywhere would suffice.
What do you guys think? Like $50, 5-second tickle?
No idea. You're interested in tickling our pickle?
No, anyone interested? No's across the board? That's too bad, because, I mean, you guys could have tickled this pickle for 5 seconds. I'll give you guys $50, man.
Yeah.